Welcome to MS Craftshop. Today I invite you to join me in a fun activity I have called Mysterious Nesting Folio Album. This activity will involve creating a project with 3 parts. All these parts will be separate projects that will form one whole. In this video, I will present the first part of this puzzle. The initial component of this mystery project is a mini folio album that we created last week. I chose to use the same base for this folio because it's quick, easy and user-friendly. There is one difference and I will show it to you in just a moment. The link to the tutorial and step-by-step guide for creating the folio is available in the video description. As you can see in the previous folio, this page featured 2 smaller landscape pockets. For this project, I decided to create 2 deeper vertical pockets instead. The larger pocket is 18 cm deep, while the smaller one measures 9 cm deep. If you choose this approach, be sure to prepare scraps of paper according to the measurements displayed on the screen. The process for creating the pockets is the same as described in the tutorial. Finally, glue the smaller pocket on top of the larger one. The larger photomat measures 19 by 19 cm and the smaller one 16 by 19 cm. I finished the corners of the photomats using a crocodile corner punch. To decorate the album, I used Master Detective Collection papers from Graphic 45. It was pretty challenging to find these papers since they were produced a long time ago. While browsing the internet, I discovered presentations of albums made with these papers dating back to 2017. I ordered single sheets from this collection from various UK online stores. Despite my efforts, I wasn't able to complete the entire collection, so I supplemented it with a few of the sheets from my own stash. For instance, burgundy paper with white dots, green checkered paper, and paper with elegant ornaments, which you will see at the end of the video. puzzle of the mysterious Nesting Folio album has been solved. Are you interested in tackling the second one? If you're curious about how the incredible Sherlock Holmes will solve this next mystery, be sure to watch the following video, which will be released next week. I hope you will join in the fun. See you soon!